So that's why I'm doing this video, because I want you to know that if you place them wrong, you won't be able to remove them. Hello everybody, Low VR Gamer is here back again, and today we're going to do an unboxing on this Kiwi Design Blue light blocking glasses. So this is from China. These are I bought this because I want more protection on my VR lenses. And let's see what do we have inside this package. I'm going to show you from where I got this this package, and right now I'm unboxing it. So let's see what we have inside. So if I'm going to pull here, we're gonna see that inside this box we have these two lenses, really simple. And inside this box here, we're gonna see that we have also two. So this is the first lens, and this is the second lens. And we also have a protection, and on both sides we have this protection. This is how these protection are looking. Okay, so here is my VR headset. I'm going to remove this front panel for it to be easy to install it, and also I will clean the lenses using a very good material for doing that. The VR is closed, and before we put, we're gonna do something like this, as you can see. So we start from the middle and we do a circle until we are on the edges. We do the same for this second. Okay, so how can we use this? I'm going to remove this first, and the second one here, and I'm going to try to figure out where this goes. So after a long period of time I managed how to put it. So as you can see, this form here is like not a regular one. So we have this round circle here, and we have like two lines here. So it's really simple. If you look here behind, you can see that we have the same round and these two lines here. So it's not that hard to figure out how to put them. So I'm going to remove this, and as you can see we have this around here. We're gonna turn this back, and the front is over here, and we just have to let me see. Okay, so you have to push a little bit until you hear a clap song, tick song, and then you'll know that everything is okay. So as you can see, this is how the lens looks here, and this is how we added this. So I'm going to play a little bit to see the differences. Okay, so after a period of time, after a period of playing, I can't sense any difference, except that when it's dark you can see something, like you can see like something blue, but it's not a huge problem. And I think these lenses are really okay, mostly for protection. The main lens, the main lenses, because you can't damage the main lenses having this extra protection here. Yeah, and as you can see there is a flickering on the one. It's like something that detects your head position if you're using them. You see it's an there, something that is flickering. And with this extra protection, I think is pretty okay, and the eyes don't go close to this if you have an extra space here. And on the first page you're gonna see something like this. So this is the name of the lens: blue light blocking glasses for Oculus Quest 2. This is the right and the left one. And yeah, these are not prescription lenses. These are like default, only the blue filter. They have only the blue filter, but if you want, we can get also prescription lenses. Customer service, where you can see how you can use them. So as you can see, here is the step 1, step 2, 3 and 4. So you have to align them like this in order to know which is the right and which is the left. After a period of time, I realized that I haven't put the lenses correctly, because you can see here L and R, these are not okay. So I'm going to remove them, but it's kind of hard to remove them because I already connected them. So I tried to remove them, but it's really hard, so I left them on the opposite side. So this lentil should be here because it's the right one, as you can see, and this one should be here, but this was my mistake. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I wanted to know that if you place them wrong, you won't be able to remove them. I tried with using this, but actually it's not working when I'm trying to pull them out. So if you manage to pull them like this, it's okay, because these are like the same, you don't have any difference, don't worry. The problem is that you won't have the R here and the L here, so this is the single problem. But if you manage to put them like this, you can't remove them. I tried so hard, but it's not working, so I don't know. They're like inserted in that 3 holes there, and if you try to remove them, you can't. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Before you press them, to look here for right and left and to place them correctly. So maybe you guys know how you can remove this if you place them wrong, and if you know that, please let me know in the commentary. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.